This is just a quick reminder of things to remember about rays. So, the first thing is a ray is a line that extends in one direction. So it's going to have an endpoint on one side and an arrow on the other. Now, it can go in either direction, but it's only going to have an arrow on one side and it has to have an endpoint on the other. If I'm naming a ray, I'm going to use capital letters. And I always use the letter at the end point first. So this would be line A, or this would be ray A, B. And I have to make sure that the letter that was at the end point is the letter I use first. So in this situation, if I had... Oh, Logan's excited. Yeah, right? So he says use letter L for Logan and D for DeSalvo. And if we're labeling it, what's it going to be? Logan says this one is L D because L is at the end point, so that's the letter that comes first. Now, one other thing to remember is if you're looking for opposite rays, they have to go in opposite directions. So if I had something that looked like this, if I had a line, I can have as many points as I want on this line, right? But if I'm looking at these, A, B, and C, I have two opposite rays here. I have one from B to A, and one from B to C. So if I was labeling opposite rays, my first opposite ray would be B to C, and my second one would be B to A. Or I could have said B to A and then B to C. I just needed to make sure that I used the letter B first in both of them because that would be where my rays are starting.